Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best hair straighteners of 2026. Whether you want sleek, shiny hair, fast styling, or a straightener that won't damage your hair, I've got you covered. I'll walk you through each straightener's features, my personal review after testing, the pros and cons, and which one might be perfect for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Dyson Airstrait Straightener. Wet to dry styling, no hot plates, safe for all hair types, promises no heat damage. I tried the Dyson on damp hair. The moment you turn it on, it feels different because it uses air instead of traditional heat. Your hair dries while being straightened, and the finish is smooth and frizz-free. It's especially great if you're worried about heat damage because there's literally no direct high heat touching your strands. Pros: completely heat-free, no damage. Works on wet or dry hair. Fast results for all hair types. Cons: takes a little practice to get used to airflow technique. Make sure you section your hair properly. This makes airflow styling faster and gives a sleeker finish. Number 2. Ionic 10X Styling Iron. 1-inch plates with moisturizing heat technology. Straightener and curler in one. Can style hair in under 10 minutes. I love the Ionic 10X because it heats up super fast, like under 30 seconds. The moisturizing heat technology really helps prevent dryness, which is perfect if you style your hair daily. I used it to curl and straighten my hair, and both came out shiny and soft, without that fried feeling you sometimes get with regular flat irons. Pros: quick heat up, hair stays hydrated, dual use, curls and straightens. Cons: slightly heavy, pricey, but worth it if you style often. If you have fine hair, use a lower heat setting to avoid over-straightening. Number 3. Faszin Hair Straightener. Titanium plates with fast heat, negative ion technology to fight frizz, dual voltage for travel, can curl, wave, or straighten. The Faszin straightener heats up very fast, and those negative ions actually make a noticeable difference. My hair felt silkier and less frizzy. I also tried curling with it. It's a little tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, it works like a charm. The dual voltage makes it travel-friendly, which is perfect for vacations. Pros: quick heat up, anti-frizz negative ions, multi-style, straighten, curl, wave, travel-friendly. Cons: titanium plates can feel harsh if not careful. Little learning curve for curling. Ideal for people with sensitive or fragile hair. Number 5. Nano Titanium Ultra-Thin Hair Straightener. Professional flat iron, ultra-thin plates for precision, suitable for all hair types. This straightener is perfect for precision styling. I used it to straighten and touch up small sections. It's lightweight, so it's easy to handle for long styling sessions. If you have thick or curly hair, the even heat distribution makes it smooth and manageable. Pros: lightweight, precise styling, works for all hair types. Cons: no extra features like dual voltage or auto shutoff. Plate size small for very long hair. All right, everyone, that wraps up our review of the top products for today. I hope this helped you find the perfect product type for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and tech tips. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.